Create document with Trusted CA. Log in to your SigningCloud account at my.signingcloud.com. Select the Create Documents button from the dashboard and select Sign with Trusted CA-ID. Proceed to upload your document. You may assign your respective recipients and CA providers accordingly. Then, head to the next page where you'll need to assign each of your recipients to their respective actions. Select your first recipient on the top left of the page, then right-click on the document to select from the options of actions available. Repeat this step if you have more than one recipient. Once you've assigned each of your recipients to their respective actions, you'll be directed to review the document before it's sent. Here, you'll be able to change the document name if you wish and write a message for your recipients. You may also set an expiry date for the document as well as a reminder email to prompt your recipients to review and sign the document. Then, just click Send and your document will be on its way to all its intended recipients.
SigningCloud. Sign with confidence.